Hello all, welcome again to our YouTube channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video we are going to be transforming this TV wall into a modern or new design, and I'll be taking you through this whole process of transforming this TV wall with from the start to the end, and I'm going to be showing you every step and every process and materials that I've used during this process. So the first thing that we did here was assembling all the pieces here, because I did take the measurements. Also, I came with pre-cut and prepared pieces of wood because I had an idea of the sizes that the client wanted, because I had taken the measurements. So after taking the measurement from the house, I went and pre-cut the each pieces of MDF boards, because we did use MDF boards for this one. We were working on a budget, and yeah, I came another day with everything ready. So now here we are just going to be assembling it, and yeah, I hope you'll enjoy the video. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. I really do appreciate your continued support. And if this is your first time clicking on our video, feel much welcome to our channel. Feel free to subscribe to my channel All Things With Us. Hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. And yeah, we have a variety of videos in our channel. You can visit our channel, watch more of our content, because we do house transformation, makeovers, furniture transformation, DIYs, and many more in our videos. I'm sure you will learn one or two from us. And also you can even reach out to us for such services, because we offer these services to all our clients. You can just comment down there and I can direct you how you can contact us for these kind of jobs. So as I told you earlier, I came with the pre-cut pieces of wood. Now here, as you can see, I'm assembling them. And the first thing that I was going to be assembling is the shelves, because the design had some shelves, another part with wallpapers and a TV stand, and the other side had some wall panels. But I'm sure everything will make sense after you watch the video till the end. So now I'm going to be making these shelves. As you can see, I'm going to be making them, then I start making the TV stand. After the TV stand, now we will mount everything on the wall, start putting the sticking the wallpaper and the panels, and everything will come through. And make sure to tell me in the comment section what will you think about this TV wall transformation. Yeah. Now you can see that the TV stand is ready, and it's going to be a floating TV stand according to the design that we are going to be making today. So we are going to be mounting it on the wall, and we'll be using wall brackets to mount them, or to mount it. And here I'm just drilling the holes that I'm going to be using to mount the plugs, or to mount the TV brackets, so that I can place the TV stand on them. And here, these are the pieces of wood that I'm going to be using to make the other part, where I'm going to be putting the wallpapers, because the client wanted it like that. And I think everything will make sense if you watch the video till the end. So keep watching the video, and if you have watched this video till this far and you haven't liked it, kindly consider liking the video. Yeah, you can start commenting on it. I will really appreciate that. Naona bado tuko na kazi. Now we are preparing to start sticking the wallpapers onto that frame that I just made. And the wallpapers normally come with a glue that you can mix, that you need to mix with water, make a thick paste, and then start applying it on the wallpaper, also on the wall where you are going to be sticking the wallpaper, so that it can stick very, very well and permanently there. So that is what we are doing here in this part of the video. We are applying the glue onto the frame that we made and also on the wallpaper, and then start sticking the wallpapers on the wall. Yeah. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and I hope you have learned something from this video, and you can just comment down below. Yeah, you can tell me anything, you can ask me anything if you want to know more about this. And yeah, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, comment on it, share with your friends and family, and I will really appreciate that. You can also visit our channel, watch more of our content, because we have a variety of videos on our channel, and watch them, share with the friends and family, and that will be really helpful for our channel, and it will help us grow, and will help our videos to get more audience. And yeah, we are just doing the final touches, that is putting the wall panels, and yeah, clean up the place and show you the final reveal. And I will see you in my next videos. Bye bye for now.